Yesterday, a 12-year-old girl was buried, a victim of bullying. It is a story that no parent would ever want to talk about. The Polk County Sheriff's Office is investigating now to see if any charges will be filed in this case. But it begs the question, at what point does bullying become a crime? We sent News Channel 8's John Rogers to find out.
Rebecca Ann Sedgwick will never know what it's like to go to high school, to have a driver's license, or even what it's like to be a teenager. Polk County deputies say last week the 12-year-old went to an abandoned cement plant and leapt to her death. Over the past year, she was a victim of relentless bullying. She received online messages like, "Nobody cares about you, and you seriously deserve to die."
We have kids who are dying, and that's the biggest thing. We have to stop this.
Robin Allweiss is a former state prosecutor. She also represented the family of Zachary Gray, a Pasco teenager who tried to commit suicide after being bullied. He's now paralyzed. Allweiss says for a case to be considered bullying, it must be prolonged.
Bullying is not one incident. It is a period of time. It could be a period of time of a week, but it has to be ongoing and continuous.
She says the bullying must cause physical or psychological harm to the victim, and the bullies could face various charges, from battery to stalking to harassment. It's all up to the state attorney's office to decide. Allweiss says Florida has civil laws that say schools must have anti-bullying policies and investigate claims. But she says the schools have no legal accountability.
The problem is there's no consequences, really, if the school does not follow the law.
Allweiss feels more can be done. She thinks the state should criminalize bullying, which would make punishments more direct and discourage any future bullies. For now, she advises parents to make sure they know whether their kids are being bullied at school. In Tampa, John Rogers, News Channel 8.
The attorney says parents should make sure that any attacks or cases of bullying are reported to authorities immediately, and it may also be helpful to get legal help.